What is going on, everyone? It is me, Bullish Investor, again, back with another daily market update. Today is August 7th, 2022. Total crypto market cap is above 1 trillion. Still, it is dropped a little bit from where we were at a few days ago, but not very much. Still above 1 trillion. 24-hour volume has dropped significantly, down to 42 billion. I believe it was at 66 billion, 70 billion, something like that a few days ago. Still okay, though. Market might be looking kind of bullish once the CPI data comes in on August 10th. Total crypto market cap is down to 0.11%, so not very much, but in the grand scheme of things, it is quite a bit of money. Bitcoin is down 0.2%, 0.3% on Ethereum, 0.4% up on Cardano. Everything's kind of trading side to side, nothing really happening. AVAX is up 8%, which is really good to see. Top gainer on the day is AVAX, 8%. Loopring, 8% as well. Zcash, 7%. Quant, would love to see Quant. Quant will always be performing well, in my opinion. Up 6%. Oasis Network, I've been hearing some good stuff about them. Up 5% on the day. Some pretty decent stuff happening in the market. Over here on Crypto Bubbles, you can see a lot of coins actually are down today. A lot of outliers are down. There's some few coins up, like Quant, AVAX, Loopring, Oasis Network, but a lot of the coins actually are down today. On the week, most coins are up. Most things are doing very well. So if you bought anything as of last week, you are up. DCR is up 45%, Flow 33%, Quant 17%, Trust Wallet 21%. Good gains on the week. Now, Crypto Fear and Greed Index 30 points. It's down, or we're down 1 point from where we're at yesterday. 39 last week, 20 last month. So we are still hovering around the 20 to 30 range. Like I said, we're going to be hovering around this range for the next few weeks, maybe next few months. And then NFT volume here is something kind of crazy. CryptoPunks just pumped 1,952% gain in the past 24 hours. Well, it's been the past change in the past 24 hours. It's been 16 transactions to increase it to 1,952%. Crazy is only 16 transactions, but because they're worth so much, it increases the change by that much. All the blockchains are actually down in volume except for Phantom, up 255%. Transactions are down quite a lot too. Actually, Ethereum is at 16,000. Usually it's around 20,000, 20 to 30,000. Solana is at 27,000. I actually saw one day where it was at 60,000. So down quite a bit. Not really much happening in the NFT space right now. I guess we're just waiting for some hype mints or anything to come out. I'm in a whitelist for a few projects right now. They're all Solana based, but nothing really crazy happening in the NFT space right now. So getting into the news for today, we got the first one, how to spot the next Celsius before it's too late. So basically Celsius went bankrupt, so did Voyager. They're two of the big companies that had their crypto lending platforms. You can also stake your crypto and earn a lot of money off of it. And both of them went bankrupt. So if you had any money in both of those or either of those platforms, you lost most of it because I think they suspended withdrawals on it, unfortunately. So the only two indicators here, which I highlighted because they're the most important, the primary telltale sign of vulnerable platforms is unusually high yield. So if you see something that allows you to get like 100% gain or 200% yield or something per year or something, then it's kind of a red flag, because how is that able to be sustainable if everybody that uses that platform could get 100% gain? Where is all that money coming from? Eventually it's going to dry up and there's not going to be money to give to the people who are using the yielding platform. So always watch out for something like that. And the next sign is speculators should treat incentive schemes that reward holders for not selling with suspicion. So sometimes some of these platforms will have incentives for you not selling your coins, which is usually a red flag. If you want to sell your crypto, you shouldn't have some other platform telling you that you should hold it, you shouldn't sell it. That should be a red flag as well, right? If you want to buy crypto and hold it yourself without anyone telling you anything, it should be your choice if you want to buy it and hold it. It should be your choice if you want to sell it, right? If some platform is telling you, you should buy this, you're going to get this reward if you hold it for this long or whatever, that's a big red flag. Next article here, we got researchers say they discovered consensus level attack on Ethereum miners cheating the system to earn more. So basically what these Ethereum miners are doing, so at its core, the paper highlights an issue where the miners can change the timestamp related to a mined block to avoid increased difficulty on the network. So they can basically go, I'm not an Ethereum miner, so it's kind of hard for me to explain it, but they can basically go one timestamp before it so the block is easier to mine, which makes it easier to get the money. You can basically make more money by just kind of cheating the system. So eventually, I think they're trying to work to fix this right now, but also when Ethereum switches from proof of work to proof of stake, this probably won't happen anymore. But interesting to see that there's people kind of hacking, or not really hacking, but cheating the system to earn more. So the Ethereum miners found a way to make more money cheating the system. So that's interesting. I just found it as an interesting article to show you guys. Next, we got Solana's TVL was propped by two brothers creating multiple fake online accounts and a sham DeFi ecosystem. So there's two brothers who anonymously made online accounts to fake an entire DeFi ecosystem on Solana. The brothers were behind a Saber protocol, Sunny and Casio. That cost investors millions of dollars. After pumping off a scheme, the anonymous accounts are ditching Solana for Aptos. So basically, these brothers, they played a central role in the meteoric rise to the top of ingeniously faking multiple developer activities on the network. So basically, they put in, where was it here? So they contributed $7.5 billion to Solana's total value locked, which is TVL. Both protocols were double counted, which IAN claims is the case with Ethereum. So basically, they put in 7.5 billion faking an entire DeFi ecosystem on Solana when there actually wasn't. So very, very weird and very interesting to see. This does look bearish again for Solana. There's been a lot of iffy things going on with Solana recently. I really want everything to get fixed with it because I love Solana. I like how fast it works. I like what it does, right? But there's a lot of just weird stuff going on. There was a weird case with a lot of people being distributed Solana tokens by the actual founders, and then they're able to sell the coins before it dumped. So there was a huge scheme with that. I believe I talked about that in one of my other videos, but this is also just something bad to see on Solana. And last article of the video, we got Bitcoin and Ethereum are incredibly oversold. So Bitcoin is currently trading at 23,000 according to CoinGecko. That's a 66% drop from its all-time high. So basically, we are suspecting another semi-crypto bull run when this happens, because right now, let's go take a look at Bitcoin. I do kind of believe this CPI data that's going to be coming out on August 10th will be bullish for the market, and we probably will see some decent gains. But for when Bitcoin is at its all-time high, if we go to year to date, or no, let's go all-time. So Bitcoin's all-time high was about 67,000. Right now we're at 23,000. So that's a huge, huge drop. So basically, if you're buying right now and it goes back to its all-time high, which it probably will, obviously, but not, and I don't know if it'll happen anytime soon, but when it does, you can at least basically 3x your money just on Bitcoin alone, which isn't even something that's it's more of a store of value instead of trying to make the most amount of money. But right now, basically, we're all kind of expecting Bitcoin to be rising over the next few months, next few years. We got CPI data happening on August 10th. We got the merge for Ethereum happening soon, which could be bullish on the entire market. And then there's also the Bitcoin halving happening in 2024. So there's lots of bullish events coming up for crypto, which I believe will pump all of these coins much, much higher. So guys, that is it for today's daily market update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please ask any questions you want in the comments. I will always respond to anyone who's not a scammer. I've seen some of those guys in the comments. If you want to get started investing in crypto, go check with the links in the description. You can get some free sign-up bonuses. With Newton, if you invest $100, you get 25 bucks for free. So go check those out, guys. I hope you have an amazing, amazing rest of your day. Peace.